Today we are going to discuss comparing of integers and ordering of integers. How do we order the given set of integers? Kung babalikan natin yung lesson natin sa number line, we have the set of integers, meaning this is the origin. If you go this way, this is the negative. The further you go this way, the number is smaller. Meaning, habang lumalayo ka sa zero, ang number mo ay lumiliit. So, same with this. Kapag dito naman sa positive, if you are going to move to the right, then the number is bigger or lumalaki naman yung number mo. So, let's have example number 1. We have the set of integers that is 6, negative 3, 0, negative 7, negative 1, and 4. The first step is just simply write the 0 kung may 0. And then, followed by, you're going to observe which comes next. Doon muna sa negative. So, sino ang mauuna? So, since this is negative 1, lagay mo yung negative 1. Don't forget the comma. And then, next negative. And then, after negative 3, negative 7. Okay, since wala ka ng negative dyan, dito tayo sa right side. After ng 0, what comes next? This is simply positive 4. So, and then after positive 4, we have the positive 6. And therefore, that is now the order of the given set. How about the number 2 example? We have the set of integers. We have 0, negative 4, 5, negative 2, and 7. The first step that you are going to do is identify mo muna yung origin or that is the 0 kung meron. So, isulat mo muna and then you're going to identify the negative numbers. So, meaning, tingin ka lang dito sa number line mo. So, after ng 0 sa negative, so mas malapit dyan ay negative 2. Then, you can write negative 2. And then, we have negative 4. Don't forget the comma. And then, sa positive naman tayo. We have the 0. After 0, what comes next? That is positive 5. And then, after positive 5, we have the 7. And therefore, that is the answer for the orders of the given set of integers. How do we compare the given set of rational numbers or particular in integers? The first thing that we should know is, alam natin ang inequality. When we talk about the inequality, these are the symbols used to compare the given set of rational numbers. So we have the following symbols, that is, this symbol is simply read as greater than. So meaning, sulat natin muna. So greater than. And the opposite is less than. Okay, you learned this during your elementary. And we have the greater than or equal. So, in a phrase, sinasabi siyang at least. Pag sinabi kong at least, it means greater than or equal. And we have the less than or equal. Ito naman ay at most. Okay, so don't forget the phrase and the symbols. So, these are the symbols used to compare the given set of rational number or particular in integers. Now let's have example. We are going to identify whether the given statement is true or false. So, number 1, let's have 9 is greater than or equal to 4. Take note, the symbol greater than or equal, or this is simply at least. Meaning, ibig sabihin nito, there are two conditions. Kung hindi siya equal, siya ay greater than. So, kailangan may isang true lang doon. Kapag may isang true lang doon, true na siya. Okay. So, since ang 9 ay greater than sa 4, therefore, the answer is simply true. Meaning, true yung statement. Next, how about number 2? Negative 3 is greater than or equal to negative 3. Since there are two conditions, kung hindi siya greater than, equal siya. So, since equal to, meaning yung negative 3 ay equal sa negative 3. This is simply true also. How about number 2? Negative 7 is greater than or equal to negative 6. So, tignan natin, yung negative 7 ay mas malaki siya sa negative 6. So, kung titignan mo dito sa number line, meaning, mas malayo yung negative sa 7 sa negative 6. So, automatic, false na yung statement mo. And therefore, hindi rin siya equal doon sa negative 6, yung negative 7. And that is false. Meaning, Kailangan para masabing false yung dalawang statement, walang magtutrue doon. Now it's your turn. You are going to order the given set of integers from number 1 and number 2. And from number 3, 4, and 5, just simply write true or false to compare the given symbols inside the box. Don't forget to leave your answers below.